Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura xs90 espresso machine. Now for this machine it was rocky because it was having error 4, and for that we had to replace one of the thermal sensors on the thermal block inside the machine. We had to remove a bunch of things in order to get there, but we were able to replace it, and as you can see it doesn't have any more the error 4. We also had to deep clean the brew unit. This means removing the entire case of the machine and removing all this door all the way to here, disconnecting a bunch of hoses from this and removing the entire thermal block. Once we had the thermal block in there, we replaced the o-ring of the most of the o-rings of the brew unit, as well as deep clean the shower screen of the brew unit and lubricate everything and put it back together. We did a descale cycle and a cleaning cycle on the machine as well. So starting with one cappuccino, we're going to test the machine out. We're going to be testing this side of the spouts, and then we're going to be doing an espresso shot. We're testing this other ones. As you can see, the machine is steaming up correctly. Nice steady steam coming out of the machine. Looking excellent. You can control with more foam or less foam. We do not have the hose, unfortunately, right now. So there you go. Nice and steady steam coming out of the machine. Excellent pressure, working great. I will do this iPhone. Now we're gonna be dispensing coffee from this cup.
That's cool.
As you can see, nice steady stream as well coming out of the machine. Working excellent. Really great color as well. Now we are going to do an espresso shot, and then we're going to be using hot water. Starting with the hot water at normal temperature. You can see it's a nice steady stream coming out of the one. Excellent flow, working great. And now we're going to be doing one espresso shot. Grain fusion and extraction. Excellent flow coming out through the spouts. Customer has programmed this espresso button to be more longer than 2 ounces. I'm going to stop it right here. And as you can see, nice steady crema forming on top of the shot. Excellent color, looking amazing. So there you have it, your Impresa XS90 working once again without the error 4. Thanks so much for reviewing Kanen Coffee, and subscribe to the channel.